Hello kids, today we will learn about alphabets from A to Z. From A to Z. Okay, let's start. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for bat. B for bat. C for cricket. C for cricket. D for driver. D for driver. E for egg. E for egg. F for fan. F for fan. Z for goat. G for goat. H for home. H for home. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Z for zip. Z for zip. K for kite. K for kite. L for leopard. L for leopard. M for Mike. M for Mike. N for neck. N for neck. O for octopus. O for octopus. P for pen. P for pen. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for sheep. S for sheep. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for universe. U for universe. V for van. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zoo. Z for zoo. A B C D E F Z H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.